Hi, and welcome to our research, an international research collaborative to examine global health resilience using My Strengths, My Health application. We'd like to acknowledge the University of Minnesota School of Nursing, Center for Nursing Informatics, and also the My Strengths, My Health International Research Collaboration. As we know, the COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the need for coordinated global health efforts to focus on whole person health and also to build resilience. When we talk about whole person health, we're thinking of where someone may live or work within their neighborhood. Also, the My Mind and Networks looking at psychosocial components, My Body, and also My Self Care, which is health related behaviors. And we'll show more examples of that in just a moment. Resilience is the ability for individuals, families, communities, and countries to maintain and improve their well being in the face of short and long term stressors. As we know, also through the pandemic, is that digital health tools such as mobile health applications or mHealth apps are increasingly seen as a method to assist and engage individuals in managing their health. Digital health tools most digital health tools do not encompass a whole person approach that includes strengths as well as health challenges and needs. The purpose of this presentation is to discuss the development of an international research collaborative to examine whole person health and resilience using the My Strengths, My Health application. My Strengths, My Health enables individuals to self-report their strengths, resilience, challenges, and needs using simplified terms that have been community validated at the 4th grade US reading level. My Strengths, My Health is also based on the standardized nursing terminology, the Omaha system. This visual provides an example of the framework of the Omaha system. For example, specifically within the My Strengths, My Health, we focus on the 4 domains. Within the 4 domains of health, the environment, psychosocial, physiological domain, and health-related behaviors, there are 42 health concepts that are also within these 4 domains. And we'll see an example here in just a moment how we used the Omaha system as a framework and moved it to simplified Omaha system terms. So here's an example of the Omaha system terms. As you can see on the left-hand side is My Living, which is the environmental domain, My Mind and Networks, which is the psychosocial domain, My Body, which is the physiological domain, and My Self Care, which is the health-related behaviors domain. Within these terms, you can see that they have similar to the Omaha system, but they have been moved to simplified Omaha system terms, which again were community validated. And these terms are within the My Strengths, My Health application. The methods of this project were through the use of the Omaha System community of practice and research partnerships, we invited international collaborators to join the My Strengths, My Health International Research Collaborative. The aims of this research are to translate My Strengths, My Health into foreign languages using simplified terms. In addition, we were to develop an international research collaborative to exchange ideas, develop research partnerships, and share resources in an effort to build a sustainable methods to examine individual community resilience using standardized informatics methods via My Strengths, My Health to gain actionable data for use out in the community and within individuals. To date, so far, My Strengths, My Health has been translated into 4 languages: Mandarin, Spanish, Dutch, and Turkish. You can see the screenshot that we have here down below. 9 more languages are currently in progress, which are Portuguese, French, Thai, Icelandic, Korean, Japanese, Czech, Slovak, and Mari. The results of this research, in addition here, we're looking at the Spanish My Strengths, My Health, the sleeping concept, which is in the health-related behaviors or My Self-Care domain. And you can see on the far left side, this is the Spanish version, but the individuals or participants using the app first come to the screen, which is challenges. They're able to select all or none that may apply to them. The next screen over is looking at their strengths, or participants are able to provide a rating scale on a scale of 1 to 5, and the strengths of a 4 or a 5 on the rating scale are considered a strength. On the right-hand side, as you can see, I'm in the way a little bit, are the needs, which you select all that apply or none that apply for any of the needs related to specifically this concept within the with a sleeping concept within health related behaviors or my self-care. And these needs are exactly the same for every concept that is within the application. So this collaborative has been highlighting an international partnership to build and support global health resilience research trajectory. A key factor that has contributed to the success of launching this international research collaborative has been the existing international network for the Omaha System Community of Partnership. The use of the simplified terms has created multiple languages for the ability to use technology to be accessible to those with limited health literacy. For example, in addition to the English version being translated into simplified terms at the 4th grade level, the Spanish version has also been conducting readability assessments as well to ensure that these terms are truly within the simplified version. The implications of this research are to have the potential to really shift the paradigm to optimize population health management using strengths or resilience perspective. As we know, there's been many challenges within our health domain as of late, specifically with the COVID-19 pandemic. However, really looking at how can we then leverage strengths and resilience for population health improvement. This also generates an international database of individual and community level reported strengths, health challenges, and needs. And this data in turn can be used for policymakers who would not otherwise be aware of these needs specifically from individuals and the community. In conclusion, our My Strengths, My Health research collaborative presents a new phase of individual and community level data to understand hidden needs of those that are most vulnerable. Also, COVID-19 has revealed the need for coordinated international efforts, and in this collaboration, we seek to partner with communities and shift the paradigm from one of stigma to one of strengths. I thank you for your attention and listening to this presentation. My contact information is below, and here's also a QR code if you are interested in scanning that as well to have information around My Strengths, My Health. And here are our references as well. And I will go back to the screen previously with my contact information and that specific QR code. Again, I appreciate your attention and thank you for joining this presentation.